Welcome to Delta State Capital Territory, Asaba. Yes, we are live in the city of Asaba. We just crossed the Niger bridge into the beautiful city of Asaba. Asaba is quite a very beautiful city, great road system, great network, nice environment, and good nightlife as well. So all of this is what we're going to be exploring within the next 24 hours in the city of Asaba. You're welcome to Alin TV. If you are just seeing our video for the first time, we are your favorite travel family or YouTubers, as it may. So do not hesitate to click the subscribe button to join our big family, and also turn on notification bell so you always get to know when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We appreciate your love for our channel. Like I said, we are in the city of Asaba, Delta State. Quite an awesome city. It's been a while we actually slept here, but we'll be spending 24 hours here just to see how the city is faring. Yeah, this is a flyover that was lately commissioned by the past administration of the state, the person of Governor Okowa. Yes, he commissioned this flyover when he was about leaving office. So we've done a really awesome tour of this place. We're giving you guys the grand view, and as well, this is just how the up view is. So we are not entering the city through Coca. We are still going down towards Summit to see how we can navigate into the city proper through Summit axis. So if you want to see how the environment of this flyover looks, you can go check out our previous video on Asaba. You'll see how beautiful the down part of the flyover is. It actually helped to ease traffic around that area, because Coca is one of the most busiest area in Asaba, because it leads to Owerri, Ughelli. Also, the people coming from Onitsha to Benin to Lagos also cross through that part. So usually a very congested area before, but with the flyover there, the traffic has eased off. So great one. And now we'll be approaching Summit. Let's get into the city proper and give you guys a drive around the city. As you know, Asaba is big, it's not big, you know. Akailis is a very big city. No, it's big, but it's not really big. So they have the Nnebisi Road, they have the Anambra Road, they have the Okpanam Road, and some new layouts just here and there. So we're going to be exploring all of this area, starting from the Nnebisi Road, you know. So we're just making a turn now at the Summit axis, where they have that mobile filling station. So one thing again I love about Asaba is their habit for tree planting that they started sometime last 2 years. You know, you can see that all the trees are all grown, and it's just adding to the beauty of the city and just giving the city this cool, calm environment. As you can see, how the trees are grown. And also they have a very good habit of maintenance in Delta State. You know, every morning you see them come and clean the city, sweep around, you know, just keeping everything neat. And the type of tree they also use is also cool, does not really litter the road as such very well, despite this season is dry season, but you can still see that the road is looking all clean and good. One thing I must commend the past administration for is that the roads around Asaba was well attended to. You know, a lot of streets were tied. You know, you rarely drive on bad road in Asaba. You know, that was quite good to see that. Yeah, there was a massive upgrade in the capital territory of the state. So we are approaching the other flyover in the state, leading towards Agbor Road. So, but we're making a diversion to Nnebisi Road just to have a view of how that area is. And of course, driving towards Okpanam Road, just after this flyover, you have the ShopRite and a host of other places you can have a good time at night within the city. So we'll be coming back towards that area, but for now we'll be going towards Nnebisi Road. If you ever watched our video on Asaba before, do let us know in the comment section. And if you are seeing our videos and you are based in Asaba or you are from Delta State, don't hesitate to rep your location in the comment section. We'll be more than glad to see that, yeah, we are in your city, and you acknowledge the fact that we are in your city. And if you have not seen our previous videos, check them out to just see all the work we've done in the city of Asaba. I can't wait to explore nightlife in this city. I'm really anticipating exploring nightlife in this city, just to see what has changed, what is new with this current administration. How is street lights still working? Is everything still in place? Safety, of course, is of the Lord, but then again, Asaba is comparatively safe. So yeah, let's say by 9-10 we'll be having a cool drive around the city, just to see what has changed or what has been added to the city. One thing I must say, in December, I saw a lot of clips online regarding that flyover we just passed. Some awesome decoration was done around there. That was quite cool. Some nice clip of nightlife around that flyover. The pictures were great and the videos were great. I was not opportune to come and shoot it, but I acknowledge the fact that the decoration was awesome around that part during the Christmas period. So we're currently riding on Nnebisi Road. And this Nnebisi Road now leads you to the old Enugu Onitsha Expressway 2. Just that with the construction of that other one we came in from, we rarely use this except you are coming straight into town, or what you have to do is closer to that other side. So there's an entrance when you drive into Asaba from the head bridge. So this road straight down will take you back to that express, joining the express to Onitsha. So, and for those who are not also aware, FMC, the Federal Medical Center, is also located just around this region, around this Nnebisi Road. So we'll be passing FMC shortly. Those are the roof of FMC. You can see some of the buildings in FMC that you are seeing already. So we'll be passing, we're already there, so we'll be passing there shortly. And for as many who can remember our guest in Nigerian city for that roundabout that we did last year, so that was the part where we shot that video that we did, what our drone captured versus what our camera sees. So that was where we captured. If you are still seeing this video and you are not yet a subscriber, please do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell, so you'll get to know when we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very, very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. Again, my observation, I don't know if it's a new development within the state, a lot of VIO presence within town. I don't know how correct that is. I think around this Nnebisi alone, because before I started this video, I encountered more than 4 different checkpoints of VIO just on this Nnebisi Road alone. Quite much, man, quite much. I don't know why. If you have a reason, or you are based in Delta State and there's a reason for putting them so much on the street of Asaba, let me know in the comment section. I really want to be educated on why they are so much on the road. And sometimes when they are trying to stop vehicles, they create a lot of traffic, because this is just a one-lane road and all of that. So still driving in Nnebisi Road, keep it going. Very soon we'll be returning back to Okpanam Road and what's it called, Okpanam Road, to give you guys a view of how that part is currently. So that is it, guys. We made a U-turn now and we'll be going towards Okpanam Road. Yeah, Okpanam Road. Yes, we'll be going towards Okpanam Road shortly to give you guys a view of that part. As I'm still looking all neat, all clean. Like I said, the cleaning habits top notch. Literally all the areas is swept and clean at night. Like I said, there are 3 major areas in Asaba: the Nnebisi Road, the Okpanam Road, the Agbor Road. These are the major areas in Asaba, aside of the new layout that are springing forth or springing out from different locations of the city. But these particular ones are the major ones, and the roads are always clean. Again, my humble recommendation to the government, around this place you can see that there is no tree along the center part. Yeah, we appreciate some flowers and trees around here, just to add, they're already planting, just to add to the beauty of the state. Yeah, you can see that there are small trees already at the center. Great one. So it's no longer a recommendation because it has already been sorted out. Great one, I must say. So I'm a huge fan of cities looking all calm. That is why I love Calabar so much, and I'll keep talking about it because of their trees. So we are heading to Agbor Road now. So this is still a part of FMC Asaba, the Federal Medical Center in Asaba. So we'll be heading to Agbor Road just to see how it is. Along Agbor Road is where we have the Bori Golf Course. We have some military base around there, and the former campus for Delta State University that has been changed to Denis Osadebe University is still along this path. So all of that is situated around Agbor Road, so leading into various community. We did a video of some scrap guys making a huge ton of money along this path. We did a video on that. You can check out our video catalog on Delta State to see how we interviewed those Hausa guys that are making so much money from scrap business. So that is up there. You can go check it out, guys, and do well to leave your comment as well. Again, I will appeal to you, if you are seeing this video, do well to give it a thumbs up, drop your comment, let's know what you think about it in the comment section. And if you have a video recommendation for us, also do let us know. Before I forget to mention, the film village is also located just along this path. When you drive down this path a little bit, you will see the film village. We hope to go and explore it pretty soon. I've not really explored it because on this trip I came alone. I'm not with my people, so going into such an adventurous place alone, you won't be able to do much. You'll be able to capture so much stuff, it will just be boring. So I'm waiting for a good time where all of us can make a trip to the film village together, and we'll give you guys a shot of it. I've actually been there, but when I saw the activities encompassing the registration or in the gate fee, like it's not something I should do alone. So expect that video anytime soon from us, a detailed tour of the film village in Asaba. One thing I love about this Agbor Road axis is that it looks more like a government residential area. I think the government house is here. Yeah, definitely. But it's very calm, very quiet, and it's so serene around here. Like, Nnebisi Road is one of the noisiest parts of Asaba, and Okpanam Road as well. So, but this part of Agbor Road is very calm, very quiet, and very good looking as well, The shot around here is very fine. So maybe because of the presence of the government house, the barracks that are here, and also maybe the Bori Golf Course that is also here. So maybe all of that is contributing to why it's looking more like a government reserve area around here. But great environment around here, great presence, I must say. So if you are living around this area and you are seeing the video, do not hesitate to rep in the comment section. So guys, I will say again, if you are still watching our video and you are not yet a subscriber, I don't know what you are waiting for. Do well to click the subscribe button, turn on notification bell so you can be part of our big family. Now we are heading to Okpanam Road, the busiest part of town at night. That's why we're bringing this video to an end, showing you where the ShopRite is and showing you some other environment around there, some hangout spots, some clubs, and all of those things are available just in Okpanam Road, and some great hotels as well. It's also located around that part, so we are going to be in Okpanam Road shortly. This is the flyover where we came in from, if you remember very well. We didn't climb it, we just passed by the side. Now we're going underneath the flyover towards Okpanam Road. So if you are familiar with this environment in Delta State, also let us know in the comment section. Just after this flyover to your left, that is where ShopRite is, and ShopRite is one of the most busiest parts you can be at night in Asaba. But though they close the gates by 9 or 10, I think, because I don't think there is any club there in their ShopRite. Just like in Enugu ShopRite, it runs almost 24 hours because of the presence of the club and the bar that is there. So theirs closes, but activities are always there. So to our left is the ShopRite. So we'll just take it down a little bit just to show you a bit of how Okpanam Road axis looks like. To our right hand side, you can see some clubs, some hangar spot located there. You can see Coastal located by our left hand side. A lot of restaurants also are located here. So if you are looking for where to eat and you don't have an idea at all in Delta State, in Asaba, just drive towards Okpanam Road. You will surely get somewhere to eat. Again, there are places in Nnebisi Road, but then Okpanam Road, I think that is where most of those activities are happening. So that is a view of how Okpanam Road is. If you have been enjoying this video and you are not yet a subscriber, I'll say again, please and please click the subscribe button to join our big family. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section, and also leave your recommendations for us if you have any. So this is the police command in Delta, in Asaba, and they often barricade this place. Before now it was totally blocked. We are using one lane, but it's good to see that they've even opened it up. So I hope at night they will not also close it again, you know. But this is the police command constraining all of us to use a single lane around this part. So that is how Okpanam Road looks like, and the journey continues and continues and continues. So looking all great. The trees around here are fully grown, you know, and sometimes they often trim the mango trees that they planted around here, because sometimes they become too big and just they shade the whole road. So that is nice. Sometimes you just see them trimming it. And one thing I also observe here again is that their traffic lights, most of them are not working. I think just the one coming from Summit I've observed that is working. So others are not really working. So that can be fixed. So stay tuned to our channel. We'll be bringing you a night drive around the city to see the current update and to be sure that all of these street lights are still working. Thank you for staying with us on this ride. Do not forget to click the subscribe button if you are not yet a subscriber. Turn on notification bell so you'll get to know we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We really do appreciate your love for our channel. We're anticipating your comments in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. We'll catch you guys. Bye.